Hey guys, it's Rebecca Verstadt. So I wanted to do like an unbagging of my Ipsy Glambag for the month of December. I know I did October and November as a live stream. So I got this in the mail actually about a week ago, which is shocking for Ipsy because usually I wouldn't get my bag until like the last week of the month. And this time I got it like the first week of the month. So it is this really pretty like faux leather black on the back with a black tassel, or maybe it's like a dark brown, and then it has gold sequins on the front and a gold zipper. And I've already done what I usually do when I write down like all the details and stuff for the palette, or for every product that's in here on a little card, so I know like how much the full size is and that kind of stuff. Okay, so this month it says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. Check inside for a holiday gift to you, a bonus 6th Glambag product. Now, I got 6 items because they screwed up and double charged me for something, and I was supposed to get a 6th item for free anyways. Well, come to find out the 6th item was already included, so I didn't get anything extra like they said I would, so I got gypped. So it says, it's the most wonderful time of the year, and we've got all the festive feels, from dressing up in our sparkliest looks to getting cozy by the fire with our faves. There's so much love about the holiday season, so make your list and check it twice. Here's a few ways to help you have a gorge month. It says, hitting some holiday parties, use your Glambag picks to try out new looks, from tips on how to get killer smoky eyes to step-by-step nailing your at-home mani. Our site, ipsy.com, and an app are always here to help you get party ready. It says, get gifting with Ipsy Shopper. Check out ipsy.com/shop for daily deals like one-of-a-kind holiday sets and an extra 10% off all month long. It says, 'tis the season to let the real you shine through. We can't wait for you to see what you come up with. Now, I do have a link to the Ipsy down below if you would like to check it out. It is $10 a month. It usually is billed on like the 3rd of every month if you want to get it. If you cancel it, I would say by the 20th of the month after, or I should say the day or the day after you get your bag. If you don't like it, make sure you cancel it like a week before the 1st of the month. That way you don't get charged, because I have been charged before because I canceled it. I've canceled it several times now, and I've always gone back. Like this past time I went back because it was basically you pay $10 and you get 2 months worth for free, and because I like reviewing and trying out the products, it was a good deal for me to get 2 months worth of tester size things for $10. So this time this was supposed to be the free thing for them double charging me. This is the Farrah E or 35E. It's a blending brush. It's actually a really nice brush. It weighs like nothing. This end is like all plastic. It's very, very cheap feeling, but it is like, it has a little grip here. Even though I don't apply eyeshadow here, I use the end of the brush, so I have less pressure at the tip because I have a bad tendency to like put too much pressure when applying eyeshadow. But this brush here retails for $10 on the Farrah website. So this is supposed to be our like extra item this month. And I was told, because they double charged me, that I had a choice between this brush and one other thing that they were supposed to put in my bag. Well, this was listed as an item for my Ipsy Glambag, so I didn't get anything extra. So that was kind of a bummer. The next is from Kiss and Smink. This is the Everything. It's supposed to be like a multitasking product between a blush, an eyeshadow, and a lip color. I tried this on my lips when I first got it. Needless to say, I looked awful. Let's see, this is 0.5 grams. It is also a full size, and the color is called Tulum or Tulum. And it comes in this unique like twist up thing, and I'm going to swatch it on my hand. But it's like this corally gold shade, and on my skin this looked like maybe for a blush it would work. I haven't tried it on my cheeks or my eyes yet. I've just put it on my lips to see what it would look like, but I don't know if you can tell how the texture of the product is like chunky on my hand. And even if you blend it out, it smooths away, but it's very like metallic and iridescent. So what it does is it like emphasizes all of the lines and textures you have on your mouth. And I don't want that. I have very dry skin and very dry lips, so I'm not quite sure how this would work on me, especially with the fact that it is like a duochrome. It does shift from like peach to gold. I'm not even sure if it's like showing up on camera, the different shifts. I'll try and take some pictures of it and see if I can get a better shot of it shifting. But it's pretty, but it's just not for my skin color. So that was the second item. So that was, like I said, this is worth 20. They sell it full size for 20. The next is a Luna by Luna. This is like a baked highlighter in the shade Electra. This is also a full size. It retails for $23. And I have a couple of other Luna items and I really like them. So this is what the packaging looks like. And it's got a little domed, it's like a champagne color. And my hands are like super dry right now. So this would actually work really well on my skin because it's, I just add some to my face already. But it's like, a really pretty like beige with almost like a champagne hint to it highlight. So I thought that was like really pretty, and I like Luna products. This is like the second or third item I've gotten from Luna. Let me grab my highlighting brush. I will throw some on right now on top of the one I'm wearing. Because you can never have enough highlight. And it doesn't, because I'm so fair, it doesn't leave like a color block streak on my face, which I like. I usually use the Physicians Formula in Pearl because it's very light and it doesn't leave like a beige streak on my skin. This is just a really neutral, like a neutral looking highlight. It is beautiful. Okay, so this was definitely a bonus. I like the brush. I'm not quite sure about the everything. The next item, which is actually in my hair right now, I've used it twice to try and blow out my hair, and after about 48 hours of me sleeping on it, it's gonna go straight anyways. But like I've noticed, if you look, like I've got a gray hair sticking up here, but like the sides of my hair on my scalp area is a little bit more tame, but I'm also using the 3 other products that I normally use in my hair, and those do a pretty good job. So I tried this on its own. It didn't seem to like do a whole lot, but it was also raining when I was using this, so rain and my hair don't get along. It usually goes. This is called the TLW Frizz Fighter, and it says you're supposed to use it before you blow dry to create a breathable protective barrier against heat. Used frequently to help retain natural sheen and strength, fights frizzy hair and by sealing the ends. Restorative formula helps condition and repair hair, enhances shine, and promotes bounce UVA sunscreen for long-lasting hair. This here is a tube that is 20 milliliters, and the full size is 125 milliliters, and they sell the full size for 20. And this one here this one would be worth $3.20. Do I think it's worth it? I mean, if you have like short hair, then yes. But if you have like very thick, coarse hair like I do, that's long, I wouldn't think this would work very well. It does have an interesting, it almost smells like candy. Like, hello. Like an orange creamsicle kind of candy smell. Try and put it back in. I got it all excited because I opened it and I thought it was going to get used. But it is a nice fragrance. It's just the product itself. Again, I've got a ton of hair and it's hard to tell after 2 uses whether or not it would be worth it for me. And I've got 2 more items left. One of them is an effortless eyeliner in the color Spice from a company called Stowaway. I'd never heard of them, so I looked them up. And all of their products are like sample sizes. And they do this on purpose. They do this so that you can like pack everything that you need for a trip if you're going to be gone for a couple of weeks. And everything that you need is going to be a perfect size. It's going to fit into your bags. It's not going to like take up a whole lot of space. I'll color this on my hand too. This is like a rich, like chocolate color. There it is there. And it's actually kind of soft. It looks like there's a little bit of glitter in it. More like a coppery color glitter in it, which is fine. I don't mind. I haven't used it yet. It's the first time I've actually put it on my skin. The Stowaway eyeliner, this is the full size, and this is $6. It's 0.005 ounces or 0.15 grams. So there it is there on my hand. And then the last item that I got was from Morphe. I do own 2 Morphe eyeshadow palettes and 2 of their brushes, which one brush tears the absolute piss out of my eyes. I've never tried their lip products or anything else from them. This is the shade Morphe. And this is a lip crayon. It is 1.4 grams or 0.5 ounces. It is $9 full size, and this is also a full size item. This is very similar to the shade that I'm wearing. The only difference is the shade that I'm wearing right now is an LA Girls color that cost me $1.29, I think. And if I try and get it off, it does this. This wears off within like half an hour. And it is like a twist up. You twist it up from the bottom to get more product, which, you know, is handy, but that's as far down as you go with it. So I always have to be careful because I usually take off the tip. But let me show you. You can still see the 2 red swatches on my hand because I did record this makeup look, and I swatched both reds on my hand, and you can see even after using an oil-based remover to get it off, it's not going anywhere. And this is almost the same shade that I'm wearing. So there's swatches for 4 of the products. I can get you a closer look at that red and the eyeliner. I want to talk about some of the products. Like, I think all but one was a full-size product. Yeah. The TLW hair product was the only product that was a sample size. Everything else was full size, which is nice. But, oh, I'm trying to put the eyeliner back in the, never mind. One of those days. The lip color from Morphe, I was very disappointed in. I thought it would last a lot longer than it did. I did try it on a day where I didn't have any makeup on. I didn't take pictures or anything of it, but it wears off rather quickly. So for something that's supposed to be like easy to use, it says right here, deeply pigmented, glides on smooth, stay put wear. And it wears off in like 20 minutes. Even if you're just talking, it like just seems to like disappear off your mouth. Like, where did it go? It's not on my teeth, it's not on my chin, it's not on my nose. Where did the lip color go? So you have a disappearing act here. The shade for the Everything is beautiful, but like even after blending it into my skin, it still looks kind of chunky, and I don't care for that. So I don't know if I'll try it as a cream blush or an eyeshadow, and I know I'll use the product because I've had it on my mouth. So obviously I'm not going to give it away, and I'm not going to throw it away, and I'm not going to try and sell it. So total for everything for the bag that's, you know, for the bag worth, it's $71.20. So for something you paid $10 for, is it worth it? Yes, I think so. Because I know I'll use the eyeliner, I know I'll use the brush. So we've got 16 right here. And then the Luna highlight, which I can also use as an eyeshadow, that's 23. So you're at like 39 bucks right now just with 3 products. I have used the TLW. I will continue to use it. I will do a full review on this very soon after I've used it a few more times, where I've washed my hair and just used this to let my hair air dry, and then use this and blow dried my hair completely from wet to dry with just this product in my hair, just to see how it plays on its own. So I should be able to get 2 more uses out of this, maybe 3, and then I'll do a full video on this product. And I'll record videos on all of them if you want, but that's just, you know, for me, I need to test something out a little bit more than like once or twice, which I have used it twice. Like I said, it's in my hair right now. I can actually smell it in my hair right now. Yeah, I can still smell it a little bit in my hair, but I also washed my hair 2 days ago and put it in and blew it dry so I could see what it did, but I did use my other products as well. So again, like I said, I need to test it on its own and see how it works with coarse, thick, long, wavy, you know, my mop. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I know I was a bit rambly. I will leave all of these products linked down below. Like if this color speaks to you, I mean, it is a beautiful shade, but for somebody with green in their skin like me, who is fair, who has very warm green olive undertones, it's not a shade that would work for me. I think this would look good on just about anybody else. Like if you have a golden olive to a golden undertone in your skin, or if you have a pink or a neutral undertone in your skin, this would be beautiful on, I think, any skin tone. Even deeper skin tones would be able to get away with that shade. The highlight is beautiful. If a deeper skin tone can't use it as a highlight, you could use it as an eyeshadow. And you know, Luna does make some beautiful eyeshadows as well. And I think, I think it's Harmony is the other one that I've got. That's like it's like a peach. It's almost this color. It's like a peachy colored eyeshadow that I got not too long ago from Ipsy, and I really enjoy it. So if they sold shadows in single form, I would probably pick up a couple of them, but their prices are a little up there, and these are products that are made in China. So 23 bucks for a highlight, when I can pick up something like this that's bigger and get more product and a neutral color for like half that price almost. That I feasibly can't afford to buy a $23 highlighter. So that's why something like this that costs 10 bucks is a benefit to me, because I can't afford it. So those are the things I look at when I review the bags as well. So hopefully you liked the video. Again, rambled. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, subscribe, all the fun stuff that YouTubers usually ask you to do. And I will link other like Ipsy unbagging videos in the cards up here for you to watch if you're interested in seeing other things that I've gotten over the years. And I probably ought to do like a breakdown video of like all of the products that I've gotten that I actually use or that I like, that kind of stuff, and break down what Ipsy has cost me and what I've actually used out of my subscription bag. So if you want to see a video on that, let me know. I'll be more than happy to record it. It'll take me some time to gather up everything that I still have left and all my info cards, that kind of thing, so I can tell you. I know there was a couple months this year I didn't get, but you know, it is what it is. I think there's 3 months of the year that I didn't get because I couldn't afford it. So anyways, I will see you guys later. Hopefully you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you then. Bye.